This brand new website is doing naughty things like this to PayPal accounts worldwide. No, it's not called Dating Gold. Get your mind out of the gutter. This is the world's top paying paid survey site on planet Earth. Look at this, $600 for a survey, but we found a way to put it on autopilot. This is online moneymaker. Stay till the end of the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's do it now. Okay guys, you need to go to a site called affplus.com. That's AFFPLUS.com. This is the mother of all paid survey sites. Okay, look at what these people are paying per survey. $50, $80, you know, some of them are 90 cents, forget that one, $83. This is ridiculous, you guys. This is brand new. This we just discovered. This has thousands and thousands of surveys. And oh, guess what? You don't even have to sign up. You go to affplus.com, you're going to come right to this page. No email, no password, nothing. So let me show you. Let me show you what this site does for you. Look, just click on any of these networks and I'll show you what they do. Check this out right here. So just click on one. This one is they give out surveys. Look, they're paying like this one right here. If you take that survey, $600. Okay, I don't know how long that takes, but $600 is $600. But there's something more to this site. There's something more to affplus.com. Okay, let me take you back somewhere here. Hold on a second. Let's go back. Okay, we just clicked on super surveys, right? We saw that they have one survey that'll pay us $600, but look at this right here, $2.80. You know what that is? That is an affiliate link. Yes, you can take the surveys and make money, or you can get your friends to do it and make $2.80. But the beautiful thing about it is they don't have to take the survey. You share your affiliate link with somebody, they click on it, all they have to do is push enter and you get paid. Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean. If you're liking this video so far, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Boom, I appreciate that. Thank you. So check this out. Just go back. Let's go click on super surveys. Now, by pushing join network right here, you are distributed an affiliate link, and that means you're going to get paid to your PayPal account every time somebody clicks on it. Just click on it. Okay, let me show you what they're going to be taken to. This is the page they would be taken to right here. Okay, all they would have to do is put in their email and hit enter. That's it, and you get paid. They don't even need to take a survey. Okay, that's a beautiful thing. So this is what I call a double money making website. Okay, this is grabbing literally the bull by two horns, making money. Okay, you can take the surveys, make huge dollars, or you can join the affiliate network and get your friends to make you money. Okay, but we do have a genius way to get your friends to click on it. Okay, this is brand new. This is brand new. Okay, you got to stay with me till the end on here because this is probably my best video yet. Give me a like, please. Okay, so what you would do, you'd hit join network. You'll get your affiliate link. Then come over to YouTube. Okay, yes, I am going to show you how to use YouTube to make affiliate money from AffPlus. After you took those surveys, don't be lazy. Go make $600. So, since we're going to be affiliating with a survey-taking company, let's choose a video that has to do with making money, okay? And just click on it. So I'm going to go with Wesley Virgin right here. I like Wesley Virgin. Wesley billion dollar virgin. He's great. If you guys haven't checked out Wesley Virgin's channel, do it. I love him. Okay, just pause that. Then what you want to do is take the link. Just copy the link to Wesley Virgin's video. I hope he doesn't mind. Hope he doesn't mind we're doing this. We're showing him some love. Take that, okay? Then what you want to do is go to a site called Snipply.io, okay? Right here, Snipply.io. This is a link shortening site, but they also give you, for no extra cost, in fact, no cost at all, this is free, a call to action button. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take Wesley Virgin's video and we're going to put our own little call to action on it. Okay, now it's not going to be right on his video, it's going to be right there or right below it. You know what I mean? Now we're not going to post this back up to YouTube. Oh, and by the way, you don't need to have a YouTube channel to do this. Okay, we're not going to be reposting Wesley Virgin's video on YouTube. So stay with me to the end. I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do with it. So sign up for this. It's free. They do have a paid plan. It's not much. If you get the paid plan, you can do a couple more customization things. It's no big deal. You don't need it. So just sign up, email, password. You know the drill. Then it's gonna you're gonna be taken to the to your dashboard here. Okay. Now what you want to do here, take Wesley Virgin's video link, Wesley $1 billion Virgin's link, and paste it right here. Paste this link there. Go paste and create snip. Oops, it looks like Wesley Virgin does not want us taking his video. That's okay, I don't blame him, but I can still show you how this works. So you'll be taken to a page that looks like this when you create snip, and the thumbnail of the video you're hijacking will be right here. So I do suggest maybe you find something with like a flashy, attention-grabbing thumbnail, because the thumbnail is going to show up. It's going to populate the space we're going to put this in. Okay. Next thing I'd suggest here, customize this call to action. This is what it's going to look like down here. Okay. And what I would do, you can copy this exactly. Put make $600 quick. Okay. Quick. Make $600 quick. Click here. Now, I would probably click on that, wouldn't you? I would. Then, you're going to take your affiliate link from appplus.com and you're going to paste it right here. You're going to paste it right there and you're going to hit snip. And then, they're going to take you to another page where they're going to generate that link for you. They're going to generate a link that we can take and promote. But remember, wink wink, we're not promoting this offer down here. We're going to be promoting Wesley Virgin's video. Okay? Check this out. Go to Facebook. Go to facebook.com. Get on your Facebook page. Okay? If you don't have a Facebook page, just set one up just for this. It takes 30 seconds. This does not matter if you have 10,000 friends or one friend. Okay? If you do have a bunch of friends, plug that link right in here, because you don't look like a sleazeball slanging something. You just say, hey, you guys, check this out. I love this guy. You got to check this video out. And his thumbnail, or whatever thumbnail, remember I said get a attention-grabbing thumbnail, is going to populate that space, okay? Another way you can do this, let's say you've got a lot of friends. You guys are into sports. You guys are into the Denver Broncos. That's my team, okay? Get a video off YouTube about the Denver Broncos. Hey, you guys, check this out. Check this pass from Elway. It's amazing. All your Broncos friends are going to click on it. They're going to see your pop-up. They're not going to know it's you. You got to have some broke friends out there going to be like, oh yeah, $600. All they got to do is click on that, put in their email and push enter, and you get paid. They don't have to do anything besides that. Do you have 0 friends? No problem. Set up a Facebook account. Go to search people on Facebook. Okay? Just type in pretty much any famous person you can think of. Okay, just think of a famous person. Now I'm using Donald Trump Jr. on here for this example because I know it works on his page. I don't even know if this is his real page, but I know it works because trust me, I use this all the time. This is like the underground way to get links noticed. Okay, check this out. If you go to his page, may or may not be his page, but look, you can comment on here. You can comment on here. You can put a comment in there. You can put that link right there, and it's going to show up. That thumbnail is going to show up with your pop-up, and all these people are going to see it. That thing already got 1.7K shares. That is the underground secret to getting your stuff noticed on Facebook. You don't have to have any friends for this. Set up a Facebook account. Type in Donald Trump Jr. or anybody else. I guarantee this works with most like celebrities. They have tons of people that are looking at their posts. This works. Don't tell everybody about this. This is something I use. I can't even believe I just told you this, okay? Listen, you owe me a like. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'm not going to call myself a genius, but I got some methods. And turn on the notifications so you know every time I post a new video. I'm trying to get one up every day, every 2 days, okay? This is Online Money Maker. Thank you for watching.